Jesus as according to Luke chapter 6 from verse 17 to verse 26. Blessing and trouble. Jesus and him apostle them come down off of the hill and go down on the flat. One big crowd of Jesus follower them did there. And a whole heap of people from all over Judea, Jerusalem and near the seaside, Tyre and Sidon. Them come to hear Jesus preach and to make him cure them from them sickness. And Jesus run out demon out of people. Everybody did try to touch Jesus because the power to cure them did come from him. Jesus look upon him follower them and tell them say, all of you were poor. God bless you, cause the kingdom of you own. All of you were hungry now. God bless you, cause your belly a go full. All of you were ball now. God bless you, cause the time a go come when you a go laugh. God bless all of you where people hate, where them left out, disrespect and call all sort of name and say you wicked, cause you follow the man where God pick. Make yourself happy when they sitting there to you and jump up and down with joy in the heart, cause enough good sitting put down in heaven for you. The people them where treat you bad, are same so for them people used to treat God profit them. But all of you were rich, trouble for you, cause you get easy life already. Trouble for all of you were belly full now, cause you go hungry. All of you were laugh now, trouble for you, cause you go holler and ball. Trouble for all of you where people chat good about. I same so for them people used to chat good about the false prophet them. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.